Mastering winter hydration. Simple tips to keep you well hydrated this season. As winter approaches and temperatures drop, the importance of staying hydrated often takes a backseat in our daily routines. While many people intuitively understand the need for hydration during the hotter months, colder weather can lead to a false sense of security regarding fluid intake. However, maintaining proper hydration is crucial for overall health, supporting vital functions such as blood sugar regulation, metabolism, and the maintenance of bodily systems. For individuals managing chronic conditions like diabetes, staying adequately hydrated becomes even more critical. To help you boost your hydration during winter, here are some practical strategies that can transform your water consumption into a sustainable habit. 1. Embrace hydrating herbal teas. For those who find plain water monotonous, herbal teas offer a delightful and flavorful alternative. With a variety of options available including chamomile, ginger, peppermint, and green tea, these beverages not only keep you hydrated, but also come with their own set of health benefits. Herbal teas can aid digestion, promote relaxation, and even help detoxify the body. Varieties like hibiscus and dandelion are particularly known for their cleansing properties. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine can be a comforting way to increase your fluid intake during the colder months. 2. Incorporate hydrating foods into your diet. Another effective way to boost hydration is by consuming foods with high water content. Fruits and vegetables such as melons, oranges, strawberries, cucumbers, celery, and lettuce can significantly contribute to your daily fluid intake. Not only are these foods hydrating, but they are also packed with essential nutrients. For instance, watermelon is not only refreshing but also contains lycopene, which is beneficial for heart health. By adding these hydrating foods to your meals and snacks, you can enhance your overall hydration levels while enjoying delicious flavors. 3. Hydrate before meals. A simple yet effective strategy to increase your water intake is to drink a glass of water before each meal. According to Dr. Archana Batra, a dietitian and certified diabetes educator, this practice not only helps establish a hydration habit, but also aids in blood sugar regulation and weight management. Drinking water before meals can promote a sense of fullness, which may prevent overeating and contribute to better dietary choices. 4. Consider electrolyte boosts. For those struggling to meet their hydration needs, incorporating electrolyte tablets or powders can be beneficial. These products dissolve in water and provide essential nutrients like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining proper hydration levels. Alternatively, coconut water serves as a natural source of electrolytes, offering a refreshing and low-sugar option for hydration. Coconut water is particularly suitable for individuals with diabetes seeking low-sugar alternatives. 5. Explore hydration supplements. For individuals looking for an additional hydration boost, fiber and hydration supplements are available in both powder and capsule forms. These supplements often contain a blend of electrolytes, fiber, and nutrients that support digestion and overall health. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your routine to ensure they align with your specific health needs. 6. Add natural flavors to water. Transforming plain water into a more enjoyable drink can be as simple as adding natural flavors. According to dietitian Vidhi Chawla, incorporating slices of cucumber, orange, lime, or lemon can enhance the taste of water significantly. Additionally, herbs like basil or mint can provide a refreshing twist. By making water more appealing, you are more likely to drink it throughout the day. 7. Set small, achievable goals. If the thought of drinking 8 glasses of water daily feels overwhelming, start with small, manageable challenges. Aim to drink water before each meal, or every time you check your phone. By setting these simple goals, you can gradually build a consistent hydration habit without feeling pressured. 8. Invest in a fun water bottle. Sometimes, the right water bottle can make all the difference. Choose a bottle that you love and carry it with you wherever you go. Consider using a bottle with owly markings to remind yourself to drink water regularly. A stylish or quirky bottle can add a personal touch to your hydration journey, making it more enjoyable. 9. Try infused ice cubes. Elevate your hydration experience by making infused ice cubes. Freeze berries, citrus fruits, or herbs into ice cubes and add them to your water. Not only do these infused ice cubes add flavor, but they also make your drink visually appealing and refreshing. 10. Leverage technology. Finally, take advantage of technology to help you stay on track with your hydration goals. Download hydration apps or set reminders on your phone to prompt you to drink water throughout the day. You might also program hourly alarms as gentle nudges to take a sip. Staying hydrated during winter doesn't have to be a chore. By implementing these simple yet effective tips, you can significantly increase your daily water consumption and make hydration a sustainable habit. From savoring flavorful herbal teas and hydrating foods to employing clever tricks like infused ice cubes and fun water bottles, there are countless ways to enjoy the benefits of proper hydration. Embrace these strategies and witness how they can transform your hydration routine, contributing to your overall health and well-being throughout the winter months.